All right, gonna show you the water heater graveyard. This is what happens when you replace water heaters and you don't get rid of them. Anyway, there's one there. I think that one there, I cut it in half. I believe it's the other half of this one, if I remember right. Water heater. All back in there. All back in there's water heaters all down here. Oh, I'm gonna walk up on it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. See them all back in there. Anyway. That's a water heater stripped down. That one. I've got 22s still, I think. I keep making stuff out of them, so. Anyway, that's the water heater graveyard. You can make all kinds of stuff out of them, so. Anyway, you go to replace your water heater, keep it around, you can make something out of it. We will see you.